Spirit and His ministry. These Bible passages help us understand who the Holy Spirit is and what He does. Jesus talks about the Holy Spirit because the Spirit is part of God's care for us. Jesus explains that real life with God begins inside us. We cannot see the Holy Spirit, but we can feel His work in our lives. Jesus promises that the Holy Spirit is a helper. The Spirit does not live, He helps us. Jesus teaches and helps us understand God better. The Spirit guides us little by little. This shows that God is patient and knows our limits. The Holy Spirit helps us understand sin and help choose what is good. Jesus also talks about sadness and fear. He says that times of grief will turn into joy. In difficult moments, the Holy Spirit helps us speak. When we do not know what to say, God's Spirit gives us the right words. Jesus sends His followers to share the gospel. The Holy Spirit gives strength and courage for this mission. Jesus teaches us to ask God with trust. Through the Holy Spirit, God stays close to us every day.